Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Happy Holi to everyone. And today in this video I am going to talk about what will be the cutoff for each and every section. There will be sectional cutoff in the exam. So minimum that many questions we have to try to attempt. Also this year number of candidates are more, so the cutoff also might go little high. We will talk about this in video. But friends, there is a big news here. TCS crash course price, earlier it was 1500 and now it is 1000 rupees. So 500 big discount is going on because of Holi, and it is only valid till 12 in the night. Okay, so friends, get it right now. As you are already aware, DSA white book, mock test, right, and daily PYQ series, so everything is already going on, right? So daily PYQ series, only today you will not have class because of Holi. Okay, otherwise DSA white book for prime digital, okay, mock test, how to log in, what to read in 10 days, 8 days, how to prepare, all those things we have already. Live classes recording, so live classes and then recorded classes, live classes recording, everything we are providing you. Anyway, let's come to the topic. So this opportunity is only there till today, so try to use it. Okay, fine. Now let us see here, friends. So there will be, right, so foundation and advanced section. In foundation section we have numerical ability, logical reasoning, verbal ability. In advanced section we have advanced aptitude plus reasoning ability, and then advanced coding. Now, so what should be the minimum cutoff, or how many questions minimum you should attempt? Okay, before that, friends, I wanted to tell you, see, TCS is going to hire more this year. Okay, so 40 to 42,000, this is what Google is saying, but what I am thinking, they are going to hire more than that. Okay, and almost 10 lakhs plus application right now has been received by TCS. So this data has not been given by TCS. Okay, so it's like, you know, again from the Google and ChatGPT itself. Okay, so 10 lakhs plus a student has already enrolled for it, I mean applied for the TCS job. Now definitely when the number of students are more, the cutoff will also go high. But here they are also going to hire more number of candidates, let's say 40,000 to 70,000. Okay, because they are hiring 2024, 2025, 2026. Not only this, they are also hiring freshers plus experienced. Okay, so freshers plus experienced, so number of hiring will be also more. We will try to analyze the cutoff which was there in 2025, okay, and even for 2026 batch on campus, and also expected cutoff I will tell you here, and what are the important topic which you should look for another 8 to 10 days. No, that also we are going to discuss in this video. This video is going to be very, very important, right? So let us anyway try to understand. So friends, foundation section, earlier what was happening, so foundation section if you clear, then you will be getting interview call for Ninja, and here advanced coding, so all, let's say like one coding question, if you do, you will be called for digital interview, and if you do both coding question, then you will be called for prime interview. Here again one more thing you have to keep in mind, it's not like one coding and all test cases should be passed. Okay, so depends upon the overall marks, and as you are aware that there will be sectional cutoff will be there, so a lot of factors come in picture. Okay, but this is what overall we explain now. So this year cutoff, you know, might go little up, but even in on campus till 2026, friends, so numerical ability, it will not be that easy. Okay, so it will not be that easy. So here if you solve around 7 to 8 question, you are in safe zone. Okay, that means, see, I'm not telling you solve only 7 to 8 question, but the cutoff, because what happens, no, many times you are sitting inside the exam hall. Okay, and then what happens is you will feel that, okay, you have done only 7 to 8 question, you are not going to crack the or clear the examination, even though you know you cannot solve more than that, but this will give you a kind of, you know, a fear inside you, and then you will not be able to perform well in the exam. That is what even used to happen with me when I was writing the examinations. Okay, so I'm just telling you, you know, the general cutoff which was there for 2026 even for on campus. Sir, how do you know the cutoff? See, the cutoff we know when you talk to the student, right? So you know there are a lot of student who has got placed. If you go here on our YouTube channel, kahan hai bhai? YouTube channel if you'll go, So the free preparation also we have started here, you could see. Okay, so the free courses preparation is also there. So if you'll go here and check our posts, right, so you'll be able to see the results. So when we talk to the student, then the student only says, okay sir, this many questions I had solved, right? See, so yesterday one of the student, Gaurav, he got selected in TCS digital. Hello sir, I joined your course previously and now I am getting an offer of TCS. I am very much thankful for your guidance and support. And here you could see the offer letter also, right? And she got selected, Pujita got selected in TCS Ninja. And then if you go down, okay, so Akash got selected in TCS digital, right? So a lot of results has come, and when we talk to the student, then only we come to know, okay, chalo bhai, so isse ye pata chalta hai, this we come to know that, okay, this many questions when they had done, they cleared. So similar kind of cutoff even you might face in the examination. Okay, so let's say like 7 to 8 questions if you do, you are in safe zone, but you try to attempt as much as possible and as much as you can do. And there is no negative marking. So when there is no negative marking, then so whatever questions you are able to do, I mean getting the answers. Now suppose you did 12 questions, okay, and you know that it is correct because in aptitude almost like you will be getting the answers right in the options, so you will be sure. So remaining 8 questions you just have to tick Bhagwan ka naam lena hai. If it is theta based, that means fill in the blanks, okay, fill up the blanks, you cannot do anything. But if it is not fill up the blanks, then you can select some of the options. Okay, logical reasoning, the cutoff will be little high. The reason is because the questions will be easy, right? So there are many topics are there like coding, decoding, okay, there will be sitting arrangements, there will be direction, blood relation, so that kind of questions will be there. Verbal ability again, the cutoff will be around 12 to 15. Okay, so these are the safe this thing. See, 10 questions if you do not do, see, I am not telling you that you don't do, I'm just telling you 10 questions you can leave from here, 8 questions you can leave from here, 10 to 12 questions you can leave from here. So it doesn't mean you have to leave. I'm telling, see, there are two aspects of, taking things in our life. One is this many you have to do, this many you don't have to do. You have to leave this many questions, okay? And then definitely you will be getting little motivated, okay? Advanced aptitude and reasoning, total 14 questions will be there. Again, so 50%, 6 to 7 questions you need to do, that's all. And friends, in foundation, the numerical ability will be more tougher than the advanced level, okay? See, luckily in 2025, the exam was little easy, okay? That happened only once. After that, again in this 2026 on campus, the level of the questions were high. And advanced coding, I told you 1 and 2. Friends, see, this year they have clearly said that they are going to target digital and prime, and if you don't perform well, they will give you ninja. But it is not very sure that if you don't do this section, then you will be getting called for ninja. This is not very sure. They have not mentioned anywhere, and this is still a kind of secret, and that is what even I feel. Friends, see, sir, now I have very less number of days. Maybe your exam will be after 5 days, 6 days or 10 days, we don't know. But one thing is definitely there, we have to focus first on the important topics. The important topics I have told you. See, the basic is always very, very important. Your data interpretation, okay, and then simplification, ratio, proportion, percentage, average. This will be your profit and loss. So this will be your main topics. So this here you have to focus more. And I'm not telling other things you leave, because every topic questions will be there. See, in TCS now, around 20 questions they ask, right? So 20 questions from aptitude. Now they will be involving almost all the topics. Okay. See, in one shift, suppose they did not, because the exams will be happening in shift, right? So in one shift, suppose they did not ask questions from probability, then in next shift they might ask questions from the probability. So I cannot say that this topic you leave and go, but see, some topics I always say like geometry, algebra, okay, mixer and delegation. So these are the topic, even though you put a lot of effort now, you don't know you will be able to solve the questions in the exam or not. Okay, if the problems are easy, you do it. If the problems are tough, you leave it. Okay, geometry, one question, and geometry is so big, right? Your algebra is so big, so a lot of equations are there. Okay, so if it is in the form of formulas, then you will be able to do it. If it is not in the form of formulas, then it will be difficult to do it. Okay, the reasoning, anyway, if now somebody is starting the preparation in 5 days or 6 days or 7 days, then anyway you will say, bhaiya, Bhagwan hi Malik hai tumhara. Okay, so here coding, decoding, letter series, okay, blood relation, direction test, and then syllogism, critical reasoning, sitting arrangement. So these many the topics, and figure based. Obviously, figure based you cannot ignore because cube and dice will be there. Some figure changing problems will be there, so that you need to do it. Okay, and not only this, friends. If you'll see, if you go to our online study for you channel, right, and there is one section of courses section. There already we have here. If you go and see courses already, I will give you the link also, right? So here, if you'll see, we have already started the free preparation for 2026 batch. If you go inside this, then we have TCS NQT questions. Okay, so coding questions and verbal ability one sort. Okay, in taking input, all big length videos, 59, 50, 141, time and work. Okay, and here Python questions, class 2, profit and loss. So a lot of things we have already started doing it. Until your exam, we will try to do as much as possible, right? Okay, but this offer, friends, will end soon today. Okay, so this you get it today, otherwise, and this will be helpful for all other examinations. Verbal ability. So verbal ability, ma'am is already talking about that. So grammar test, reading comprehension, these are the two things which will be very, very important. More number of questions. And in coding that DSA white book is going to help you. So that many coding questions, if you do it, trust me, nobody can stop you in clearing the examination. It is covered in the 3 languages. Okay, this DSA white book, Python, Java and C++. It is covered in all 3 languages. This crash course will help for all other exams as well, so you do not have to worry. Okay, next is, friends, there are some rules are there which you are already aware of. That I don't want to waste the time here. Like no section switching, only question switching. TCS exam will be happening at center, no negative marking. Any number of rough paper you will get, no on-screen calculator, no question wise timer, section wise timer, total 8 theta based questions. If you submit 1 coding question, then we can go to second. After you go to second, you cannot come back and modify the first one. There will be sectional cutoff. This already it is going on. Lot of results we have given in past. I know you guys are already aware and you would have seen everywhere. I'm not putting the new images and new other things now, because my complete focus is on your preparation. So whatever possible, we are doing it on YouTube. Whatever possible, we are doing it in the classes. But trust me, this year TCS 1 seat we need, and that we will get it at any cost. Thank you. Take care. All the very, very best. We'll meet soon in the next video. Till then, please take care of yourself.